One. Next pose Halasana. Drop in your leg on the floor slowly, slowly. If you can possible, interlocking your hand behind the back. Very good. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly come back. This is good for your lower back. That's now the last one. Chakrasana. Wheel pose. First fold in your both leg. After that, reverse in your both hands. Lift your elbow and take deep breath and lift the body. Lift in your back. Very good. Chakrasana also very good for your skin, your face, and good for lower back. 6, 5, 4, 3,